Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a keto creamy mushroom sauce, which is great to enjoy with steak or chicken, or really as a side with any keto friendly meal. And you really just need these two ingredients: some beautiful mushrooms and some fresh cream, pouring cream, any cream that you've got in your fridge, and you can make a creamy mushroom sauce. And there are loads of variations, of course, and I've written a blog post which I'll leave a link to down below, so you can mix and match the flavors depending whether you want a garlicky or cheesy or just lovely and herby sauce. So I'll leave those links down below, and make sure if you're not already subscribed to my channel, you subscribe for more videos like this. Leave a like and a comment too. Let me know how you enjoy this creamy mushroom sauce. So I'm going to get on and prep my mushrooms and I'll show you how to make the sauce. I've just very roughly sliced up all of the mushrooms. I've got some butter in a frying pan, use coconut oil if you prefer, and it's just sizzling away, and I'm going to cook all of these mushrooms now. Okay, mushrooms are in the frying pan. Might add a little bit of salt to it, and just keep adding butter and keep cooking it until the mushrooms are reduced down and browned, and then we'll add our cream. And then it's really up to you when you want to add in your cream. I want my mushrooms reduced down a lot more, so I'm going to keep cooking them until they're browned and all of that liquid over there from the mushrooms has been evaporated into steam. And yeah, I'm just going to keep adding butter, salt. You could add a little bit of seasoning as well as you go, a bit of oregano, thyme, even some turmeric if you want to go that way. But yeah, just going to keep cooking. Add my salt and my butter, and I'll show you when it's ready to add the cream. Okay, now that is beautifully cooked. I love those mushrooms. We're going to add the cream in now, and it's really up to you how liquidy and creamy you want your mushroom sauce. I like mine a little thicker and more mushroomy, so I've just added a nice pouring of my cream, and I'm just going to let it bubble away. Just mix in every now and then and just let the sauce reduce down. Just needs a few minutes to bubble away, and you've got a beautiful thickened mushroom sauce. Really takes no time at all. You can see the sauce is thickened up. Now you could add a bit of cheese or parmesan at the stage if you want a cheesy creamy mushroom sauce, or just give it another minute or so to bubble away, and we'll move it into a bowl. And the mushroom sauce is in a bowl now. Look how beautiful and creamy it is. It's definitely a chunky mushroom sauce, but I like it this way. It's so creamy and delicious, and it's great as a side of chicken or a steak, as I mentioned before. But that is the recipe for today. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos too, and leave a comment. Let me know how you've enjoyed this mushroom sauce, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.